morning, students. Today we will discuss next part from chapter decimals. Today we will discuss like decimals. First we will discuss the definitions of like decimals and unlike decimal. Like decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimal. I will repeat, decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimal. I'll explain in example. Look at this example: 3.9, 41.3, 5.6, 1279.8 and 460.0. If you observe this example, you observe after a decimal point only one digit, here one digit, here one digit, here one digit, means after a decimal point here only one digit, here zero is there, means after a decimal point zero is there. Are like decimal, means each having a one digit after a decimal point. That is why they are like decimals. Why? Because after a decimal point they having only one digits, means if they are having the same number of digits after a decimal point, then we can say that given decimals are like decimal. For better to understand, one more example. Look at this example: 2.79, 41.38, 570.86, 1439.01 and 37.00. If you observe, you can observe that after a decimal point there are two digits, here also two digits, here also two digits, here also two, and here also two digits. Means if after a decimal point same number of digits are present, then we can say that that type of decimals are a like decimal. I hope you understand. Are like decimal. Why? Each having a two digits after a decimal point. If there is a three digits, means if you increase one here, here three, like that, after that you observe there are three decimal point after a three digits after a decimal point, then we can say that decimals are like decimal, or that decimals are example of like decimal. I hope you understand. This is called as a like decimal, and you have to remember that decimal having the same number of decimal places after decimal point are called as a like decimal. Okay, means after a decimal point, here one, here one, here also one, here also one. That is why these are example of like decimal. And if you observe in second example, after a decimal point two, here also two, after a decimal point 2 points are there, after a decimal two, means two digits are there. That's why they are example of like decimal. Now we are moving toward the next definition: unlike decimals. A decimal not having a same number of decimal places are called unlike. Means if there are no same number of digits after a decimal point, then we can say that given decimals are unlike decimals. For example, you observe same number, means 6.73 and 67.3. means if you observe here 673 and here 673, they are look like the same. But if you observe carefully, you observe after here decimal point is in between 6 and 7, after a decimal point there are two digits. And if you observe, the decimal point is in between 3 and 7, after a decimal point there is only one digit. If you observe, after a decimal point here two digits and here one digit, it is not a same. That is why they are example of a unlike decimal, or unlike decimal, as they have a different number of decimal places after decimal point. I hope you understand this point. Okay, if you are getting problem regarding this, just call me back. Have a nice day.